Okay, what do we got here? More lifter blocks. Okay, 73 casting again. Early. It's got the countersunk holes. And this one here is marked rear. And we already showed you how to identify. You find the oil hole. And it goes like this on the right side. Oil hole here on the rear. Because over here is the front. Plus this is a more square looking block than the other one. So if we have a front one, you'll see the difference. So this is another 73 through early 77 lifter block. So we got two more over here already. Another one right here. We're getting a collection of these going, I guess. Now we check the bore, put your finger in a hole and see how rough it is. This one does not have all the waving in it either, so it's actually good condition again. And the holes aren't broken out yet, which is a nice deal. So that's a good block. You also got to make sure for cracks through here because people will drop them, I guess, to break them. I don't even break them in use. What's this one? Another one. Same thing, 73, shovel, rear one. All the same stuff again, same scenario. This one actually has a casting thing up in here. Probably a little later. It is a late one, see. This one has the big hole in it. This took the 12-point bolt on it. This one here took either the flathead, well, they're actually a oval head, straight slot screw, Phillips, or the 12-point weird looking bolt thing that went in there with a countersink thing. I don't know what year it was. The later stuff had the weird hex head bolts on them. So this is a late 77 through 84 style block, but like I said, once again, we talked about before, this does not have the drain back hole, which is I think 81. So this should be late 77 through 80. And what do we got here? Oh, what a shocker. Another block, another rear one. This guy had a lot of rear blocks. So that was a wear pattern in this one. Once again, all this stuff's pretty low mileage. You don't really feel much wear or anything. Another early one again. Good. I like early. These work really nice in panhead. I don't even bother covering up the number, but you put a little paint over there, primer or Bonder right there, and hide it, and you wouldn't know it. But yeah, it's good for panhead. Yeah, I got a bunch of rear blocks, no fronts. Oh well. That's 5 of those now. Well, I got 3 early and 2 late. Technically, I only got 3. Ooh, that's a good part. Wide glide headlight bracket. 1949 to 52-ish. 53, they made a big square looking one. Modern looking one. This is the early one. They only used it for a couple, 2 or 3 years. These used to break real bad, like right there it's broken. They were weak, so they broke. So you get spider cracks going maybe. So this has to be welded up and repaired, but it's, yeah, that's what you put on your, if you're restoring the bike correctly, this is the one you want to use. So the one that's weak and frail and breaks a lot. Later on they made the bracket a lot thicker. They put the webbing on the outside and made a big square rectangular shape out of it, so a lot stronger. This is the early one. And then at the very end they went to a rubber mounted design. So, alright, so this is 49, 50, and probably 51. I don't know. I don't know if they got the 52 on it, but probably only 2 to 3 years of this style before they changed it. But, yeah, it's a nice stock piece. It works on our 49 real nice. I think I already got one, but it doesn't hurt to have extras. Okay, what the hell is this? This is bolts. Okay, I think these are for buddy seat springs, maybe. That'd be my guess. So before you had this design, which is swing arm, 65, they had little short coil springs about that long with little hairpins on them. And this would have bolted, the hairpin part would have went over here, and I got a cotter key so it wouldn't unscrew with a nut, so it wouldn't unscrew. And the buddy seat spring stuck right on here, and there was a bracket that went on the frame. Especially on the rigid frames, they use this stuff. Swing arm, I'm probably did too, but not sure. So it's a brand new pair of them, Parkerized. These are definitely early because they're Parkerized. Later stuff's going to be CAD, or real late stuff will be zinc, but CAD's most common probably. So I'm going to guess that these are buddy seat spring lowers. So a pair of them. So not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure. I'm 90% sure that's what these are. If I looked in the parts book and show a picture of them, you would know for sure. But, there you go. Just for that box. A few good things in there. I think this is the best piece in there, because it's just almost like new. So there you go. Definitely got some good parts today. Yeah, it's a good day. Good stuff.